one of the questions that I have for the panel is, one of the headlines in Seattle is that there's so much supply of rental stock in that market, and our credit committee is starting to pull back, and a lot of projects are not penciling because of the higher vacancy rate. Just wondering whether or not you guys think that that vacancy is going to be mopped up, all those extra units are going to be mopped up, or is that going to be the new norm in the Seattle market?
So we're building down there right now, and if you look at the numbers in Seattle, there's no question. In the next 2 years, there's a lot of inventory coming on. But again, you know, we've got what we think is a great asset in a great location, and we don't worry too much about the next 2 years because we are really focused on the next 50 years. And you know what? It might be bumpy for the next 2 years, but we're conservatively financed, and it's an asset that we think was going to perform very, very well over time. You see what's happening with the job growth, with all the businesses down there. Amazon's not going anywhere. So the long-term prospects look good, but you got to navigate maybe a little bit of a bumpy short-term, which we're, you know, we view the world without rose-colored glasses. We know the reality of what's happening. But beyond 2 years, I think it, especially with construction prices that are, construction financing that's drying up, I don't think you're going to see as many starts going forward as you might have seen the last couple of years. But I think the long term looks fine.
Yeah, what rent per square foot are you trying to get down there?
You're down there, but it's about just over $4, but they pass on more operating costs down there.
So $4 per square foot per month.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, there's a lot of new buildings coming on, and that's what people are trying to get. There's $3.50, $4 a foot. That is very expensive rental. Now, Boza builds the best, and they got the best location. So I think it's okay. You know, it's a reasonable value. The market is very, very strong in those buildings that are $1.50, $2 a foot, $2.25. So where there's a little oversupply is at the high end. The rest of the market is rock solid.